Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel if you're new here. We are well into 2024 by the time that you are watching this video, so I thought now is the perfect time to talk about the 10 things I've bought in 2023 that absolutely changed my life. If you are new here, subscribe to my channel. We do a lot of fun things. We mostly do vlogs, but I want to do a lot of sit down videos in 2024, so stick around for that. Follow me on social media. I have the same handle for everything. It's at Kiana Gabrielle _ I love shopping. It is like an addiction to me. And so let's get started with everything that I bought in 2023 that absolutely changed my life. So these are all in no particular order, but I could not start this video by talking about my Kindle. This thing is literally my pride and joy. It is literally my child. I take it everywhere with me. If I'm not driving, I am reading some type of book on this Kindle. I was a firm physical book girly. I had started reading physical books in 2020 when we were in that happy little lockdown period where we were like, ooh, this is so nice. And so I started reading, and I was a physical book girl. If you are on the fence about getting a Kindle, you're like, I don't need it, I'm a physical book girl through and through. I was the exact same way. I had purchased my Kindle on one of those Amazon Prime days, and I have not looked back. Everything I read is on my Kindle. I just love it. It is my pride and joy. This is exactly why I was able to read 25 books last year. My goal was originally to read one book a month, and I exceeded double that, and I truly don't believe that I could have done that without my Kindle. I will have to say, I do have Kindle Unlimited. Kindle Unlimited with tax and everything in Canada is $11.29 per month, and it's not a necessity because you can find so many websites that have free ebooks. You can also get ebooks on your local library website. Kindle Unlimited, to me, they have great authors like Frida McFadden. I think you also get like one free ebook a month if you're an Amazon Prime member. There are ways to read ebooks while you have a Kindle without costing you money, and this is the greatest thing that I ever bought in 2023. So last year I had made it my absolute mission to find good fitting jeans. I, like literally every single girl on this planet, cannot find jeans that fit me right, that hit me in the right places. The jeans that are like super viral on TikTok just do not fit well, or they're like so expensive. I'm not willing to spend $200 on a pair of jeans, even though maybe I should, but I'm just not there yet. Everyone and their mother raves about Abercrombie jeans, especially the 90s ultra high-rise jeans, I believe that's what they're called. I have them. They are not my favorite. They're very much standing jeans, and I like my jeans to feel like I can stand in them, I can sit in them, I can like sit cross-legged in them. As much as they are popular and they went viral and they're good for what they are just not the jeans that I am looking for. However, these jeans are exactly what I'm looking for. I'm Filipino. We have really muscular thighs and calves. I need my jeans to fit loose enough but don't look super baggy, and that's exactly what these jeans are. These are the Abercrombie 90s Relax high-rise jean. They are so good. I have them in two colors or two washes, the light wash and the dark wash. This is literally all you need, but I do want like a medium wash as well. The sizing on Abercrombie, I will have to say, is really weird. I do believe that you could fit true to size in the light wash, but in the dark wash I do recommend sizing up. The dark wash does hold its shape better than the light wash. These jeans are perfect. They make your butt look good. Definitely get these on sale, but add these to your wish list because they are definitely worth it. Let's stick with the clothing trend, shall we? The next thing that I absolutely thought that I would never justify spending this money on are the Align leggings from Lululemon, and I would show you them, except I'm literally wearing them right now as I'm filming this video. I could not justify spending $98 on a pair of leggings, and then I got really into health and fitness this year, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna bite the bullet. I just wanted to be a hater because I didn't see a purpose for spending $98 on them, and I just couldn't justify that until this year, and I understand why they're $98, and they are just so good. Like, I'm literally wearing them right now. I wear them to work out. I know you're not supposed to do that. I don't do a lot of hip workouts anymore. They are $98, and with tax and everything, it's over $100 for a pair of leggings, and I couldn't justify them in the past, but the amount of times that I've worn them already, cost per wear, water is pretty low already. That is how I'm girl mathing this situation. Is it a want? Of course. Is it a need? I'm gonna have to say that it is. Number 4 on my list of things that absolutely changed my life. This one is really random. It is a chugging lid for my Hydroflask. And the Hydroflask comes with that big wide mouth lid situation. That's fine and it serves a purpose. I also have the straw lid, but sometimes the straw lid gets really gross and grimy, especially in the drinking part of the straw. I do like to be able to chug my water, especially when I am at the gym and stuff. I just want to have as much water as possible in a short amount of time. So I got a chugging lid because I was looking at getting a new modern simple water bottle and I had to talk myself down from it because I was like, you don't need it, but what can you do to get the same experience? And for me, that was getting a chugging lid. The mouthpiece isn't obviously as big as like the wide mouth. That's too much water. This is like the perfect amount of water, and also it completely closes so there's no spill. I want my water bottle to be potty trained. This makes sure that it is. Get a chugging lid. It was literally like $10 on Amazon. It's not even the Hydroflask brand, but it does fit your Hydroflask, and I'll leave a link in the description box down below. Let's talk about things that I have had done in 2023, and I'm not talking about Botox, I'm not talking about fillers. I am, however, talking about laser hair removal. I got this at the top of last year, so about a year ago. I got my first big girl job and I was like, you know what, this is now the time that I'm going to get laser hair removal. I am, swear to God, the only person in my family that has dark hair and a lot of it all over her body. Maybe that is TMI, but I really don't care. I think this is a universal girl experience. Filipinos are just known for not having a lot of hair, so I don't know where I went wrong. I started shaving at a very young age because it was disgusting, and then I was like, you know what would be a great investment? Laser hair removal. It was expensive. It is in the thousands of dollars that I've spent on laser hair removal, and you're probably like, whoa girl, what are you doing with your money? When I tell you it is the best use of my money that I have spent, it's truly game-changing how much laser hair removal has changed my life. So was it expensive? Oh my god, yes. Coming from someone who was a former hairy girly, significantly less hair growth, and even when it is growing, I don't mind it because it's lighter. You see the hair on my head? Imagine that all over my body. That was just not cute. So I think that laser was 100% worth my money. I recently revamped my entire swimsuit collection because I was so over all of the swimsuits that I had. They just weren't fitting right. They were old. They were just disgusting. They weren't my style anymore. And I found this small business from Halifax. They made custom swimsuits. And it was so good, and I'm so sad that they closed their business. It is called ALFA Swimwear. Everything is customized. I got to choose the style, the color, pattern, whatever, and I wish that they were still around, but they're actually not. First of all, these are the bottoms. They're so gorgeous. They're red. They don't give you like that weird diaper situation. So cute, right? Like, it's so cute. It's like a cute little bra top. So badly wish that this store still existed because I would buy 1,000,001 more bathing suits in different colors and different patterns. I am really glad that I went a little crazy and bought so many different ones. I just know that these are going to last me for so long. The next thing that absolutely changed my life in 2023, this. You're probably thinking deodorant. No, this is the Shiseido sunscreen stick. And it's literally exactly what you would think. It's a sunscreen, but in a stick form. It just makes it so easy to just put it on your face. It's also particularly great in the summer. You could have this in your bag, ready to go. I will have to say, the girl at Sephora persuaded me to buy this. I did not need this, but I'm really glad that she did because it has absolutely changed my life. This little stick, so convenient. It's so easy. It doesn't feel like really greasy or heavy as well. It's a very light formula. It is $40, $50. I can't even remember how much I spent on this, but it is so good, so worth it. I only use the Supergoop one. This one, so much better and deserves way more hype than the Supergoop sunscreen. The next things that I purchased in 2023 that absolutely changed my life, I'm kind of cheating, but they're two different things. They are all of my fitness memberships and classes that I have bought last year. The first thing is I had taken up boxing about a year ago in February. I am a Toronto girly. I love going into the city. I love taking the subway. Well, I don't love taking the subway, but my preferred method of transportation as like the cheapest option is taking the subway into the city. And so February of 2023 was around the time when all those incidents on the TTC were happening. All those fights, all those people getting pushed onto the tracks. And I said, no, that will not be me. And so I took up boxing as a way to defend myself, which if you're a girl, take up boxing. Number one, it is great for your health, obviously, because you're working out. It's a really good environment, and you would think that like boxing is such a man sport. No, nothing empowers me more than after I come out of a boxing class and I'm like, you know what? I could fight anyone. Do I think that I actually can fight anyone? Maybe not. But in my delusional head, yeah, I could take on anyone. It is just a great idea to learn how to fight. Boxing, I will have to say, is a pretty expensive sport to get into, and once you get addicted, you get addicted. Like, I am obsessed with finding gloves and like cute hand wrap, and you'd think it's like a kind of gym bro kind of atmosphere. It is really not. I don't know if this is like every boxing studio's thing, but mine is very welcoming. Everyone is super nice. Nothing is like really intimidating. Everyone is there to like help everyone out. It's a very welcoming environment. If you're looking to get into shape but you don't necessarily want to join a gym, because the gym can be very intimidating when you're first starting, join a workout class, particularly a boxing class. And if you are a single girly, just know that I saw this TikTok one time where it was like the best place to meet men, specifically in Toronto. One of the places on that list was a boxing class, and I can confirm that there are some good looking people in said boxing class. Speaking of going to the gym, I hated the idea of going to the gym. I actually signed up for gym membership at the beginning of last year, and I had went like once, and I was like, no, this is like a waste of money because I don't know what I'm doing at the gym. I hated it. Like, I hated the atmosphere. I hated the gym closest to my house because I saw people from my high school and I was like, no, I'm not doing this anymore. And so a couple months later, I decided that I was gonna do personal training, and I had looked into different personal training options around my area, and I had found one, and it was an all-girls gym, and I love it, and I go there consistently now. Personal training is way more expensive than just like workout classes in general, obviously, because it's personalized, prioritize weight training. I have never felt stronger in my life, and I just have such a better relationship with my body, with food. Are my boxing classes and my personal training shitload of money? Absolutely. But I think to me it is worth it, and in the long run it will greatly benefit my health. Speaking of workout classes, personal training, you're probably gonna be like, how is this next thing even remotely related to it? Trust me, it is. I'm talking about these. I could not justify spending over $150 plus tax on the real UGG Tasmans. I just couldn't. I was like, oh, I don't know if I'm gonna wear those. I don't know if they're gonna go out of style. And then I saw a TikTok saying that DSW has the best UGG Tasman dupes. Ran my ass over there. These were $50. They're by the brand Crown Vintage. Don't know if they sell these anymore, but they had this color, like the chestnut brown situation, as well as the black one. Nobody can even tell that they are not UGGs. My coworker literally thought they were UGGs. That's a win in my book. But the reason why I got these was because I needed a winter shoe that I could easily slip on after boxing, because boxing kicks your ass every single time. I needed something that I could slip onto my foot but would keep my foot warm. This is the answer to that question. If they still sell these, run, do not walk to get yourself a pair. These are definitely worth $50. Those, on the other hand, I can't attest if they were worth $150. The last thing that absolutely changed my life that I bought in 2023 is so personal to me that I don't know if anyone else will get. They're contacts. I am a glasses wearer. I have worn glasses for literally all my life, and I've always wanted contacts. As I got older and I got my own insurance, I was like, you know what? Let me just try. How am I gonna know if I don't try it? So I went to an eye doctor. I have daily contacts right now. Being able to see is a gift from God, and it's so expensive otherwise, but I literally could not live without my contacts. It's just so easy. You just slip them in your eyes. Don't have to worry about them, especially in the winter when you go from cold to heat and your glasses fog up. Wrong. It's just so easy and 100% worth my money. And that is it. Those were the 10 things that I bought in 2023 that absolutely changed my life. Let me know what you bought last year that absolutely changed your life, because I'm your curious little girl and I just love to know. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel because we're gonna do a lot more sit down videos and vlogs. I'm trying to upload consistently this year, what I tell myself every year. Follow me on all my social media, and I will see you guys next week for another new video. Bye!